Problem 8, which is 20.4 in the linear momentum chapter, involves a rocket that has an impulse being applied to it. So this is not a conservation of momentum problem really, because you have to use the momentum impulse expression. The initial momentum plus the impulse is equal to the final momentum. Mass of the rocket here times the initial velocity plus the force of the thrust over time, that's the impulse, is equal to the mass of the rocket times the final velocity. The only thing that's kind of bothersome about this problem is that really to get this kind of thrust you have to have fuel coming out of the back. That means that you would have an initial mass here and a final mass over there. But in the problem they don't tell you what the change in mass is or give you a way to calculate it. So therefore we can assume that the amount of mass lost by the rocket is negligible, so we'll say this mass is equal to that mass. After all, the thrust only occurred over, I think, 2 seconds. Yeah, it was a 2-second thrust. So you're asked to figure out what the final velocity is after that took place.